आता खबरो विस्तारान. नविका सागर परिक्रमा या उपक्रमाअंतर्गत नौदलातल्या महिला अधिकाऱ्यांच्या चमू भारतीय बनावटीच्या INSV तारिणी या बोटीच्या जलप्रवासाक आयतारा सुरुवात जाली. भारतान पुरायपणान महिला कर्मचाऱ्यांक घेऊन हो प्रवास सुरू जाल्लो आसा. भारत सरकारान नारी शक्तीक पुराय तेंको दिल्ल्या फाटभुंयेर हो भक्कम प्रकल्प अस्तित्वान आयला. संरक्षण मंत्री निर्मला सीतारामन हांच्यांनी बोटीक 5वो बावटो दाखयतकर ह्या बोटीच्या प्रवासाक सुरुवात जाल्या. RDX को ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Of course, we being an all-women team, it's a great boost to the women's honor in the country. But as sailors, we are going as sailors, and we always, so far for whatever we have sailed on the boat, we have known that the sea doesn't discriminate between the genders. It's always gender neutral. That's what we are too. But yes, to boost the morale of the country and to encourage more and more people to come up and take part in adventure activities like this, I think it's a great thing that the all-women team has been formed up.
I never imagined myself that I'll be doing this kind of voyage, but yes, as a teenage, I have always dreamt of doing something different. Maybe because of that today I'm here, and if I would have seen this kind of activity going on, I'll be more curious and I would have asked how and why and where.
The Navika Sagar Parikrama will be the first circumnavigation by an all-women crew in India. The circumnavigation is planned to be covered in about 165 days at sea. During this voyage, Tarini will call at the port of Fremantle in Australia, Littleton in New Zealand, Port Stanley in the Falklands, and Cape Town in South Africa. The Indian Navy has a rich tradition of encouraging adventure as a means of nurturing leadership qualities in all our personnel. Officers sail across the oceans to the world. They will be required to demonstrate resolve, fortitude in challenging conditions. In doing so, they will join an illustrious list of Indian women whose accomplishments in diverse fields have contributed immensely to the discourse on women's empowerment in India as well as abroad. And here I must acknowledge the endeavor of Admiral Awati, who is not here with us today. It was his vision, drive, diligence, and pushing that we have done the solo circumnavigation. My sincere gratitude to the Honorable Raksha Mantri for motivating the young crew by gracing this occasion.
I'm indeed honored, and it's a great pleasure, and it's an opportunity which no one can easily get, to be among these great, inspired and well-motivated women sailors who are going to take this challenge. This is not a occasion which can happen once in 5 years, once in 10 years. It is a historic day for India. Historic day which will be marked in navigation history, and globally I think our women are going to stand out for doing something which most navies wouldn't have even thought of. And for the initiative, I appreciate the Navy. I appreciate all their wonderful mentors who have really been instrumental in inspiring and motivating and also training these fascinating women. An effort which is not just overnight, an effort which is not something possible within 5-6 days. Several years of training, several years of guiding, and several years of motivating people, and an organized and systematic way of going about it. It is not just an ordinary exercise. It's going to be very challenging. Their resolve and fortitude will be tested at every moment, but we are all there with them, and I'm sure we will have them back here after their voyage is successfully completed, only to happily receive them.